Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Performance in Salina, Kansas, your off-road and truck specialty dealership here in the heart of the United States, bringing you another package that's new for us for the 2020 model year, and we're calling this one the Cattleman package. So we have a lot of farmers and ranchers around us that we sell to, and we've done a few of these components for them, and we just thought let's go ahead and put together as a package that you can just order, call us. You can of course check any of our inventory out at McArthur.com. Just click on that performance page there, or the tab at the top of the website there, and you can see all of our off-road truck builds. These will be listed in there, as well as you can check on their Cattleman inventory there as well. Or you can also put this package on any truck that you have currently, or even one that you want to order from us. We can even order from the factory with all the options that you want and have this package added to it. So it is going to be a $5,995 package. So let's go ahead and talk about some of these components. And if you haven't checked out our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. That way you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel with some cool Ford and Lincoln videos. We're real big into doing these full walk around videos. So if you've got a lot of truck buyers that love the videos that we do, because we do a complete guide on each model and trim specific. So we have on the F-150, we will be doing 6 videos to cover that entire, all the different trims, even the XL, talking about standards as well as optional equipment, and we do list everything. We do call it a complete guide for a reason. So hit that red subscribe button down there so you can see those videos, and hit the notification bell as well. But for right now, let's jump right in. First, I want to talk about the 3 that we have in stock and how we have those trucks equipped and why we went that way. Now, the whole purpose behind the Cattleman truck is for that farmer or that rancher. And if you talk to any farmers, at least the farmers that we have around here, they want just a work truck. Just give me a work truck, something I can take out to the fields. I can work it, I can get it dirty, muddy, and not worry about the truck. Because of that, we base it off of the XL trim. So we did order the regular cab, 4x4 of course, with the 8-foot bed, so you can do plenty of hauling with this big bed in here. And we did kind of add the 5.0 liter V8 engine, because a lot of the farmers do want that power. So if they need to pull anything, they have the 5.0 liter V8 engine that they like. A lot of them don't typically like the EcoBoost engine, so we had this powered with the 5.0 liter. Also 10-speed automatic transmission. And for the gears, we put the 373 electronic locking rear differential as well, because you want to be able to kind of haul things, tow things, you want that 373. We also made sure you have a receiver hitch back there, so we ordered as optional equipment the Class 4 receiver hitch. And we also went ahead and put the platform running boards here on the side as optional equipment. And because it is an XL trim, it will have on the inside your vinyl seats, with a lot of farmers do like that because they're going to get them, their pants all dirty and muddy getting in and out. So you're going to have the 40-20-40 split bench seat, those vinyl seats, vinyl flooring as well, so you can just go ahead and wipe that out real easily, get your hose out and take care of any mud that you might get in there. Manual windows, manual locks, again keeping that price down. They don't want all that no power equipment for it. Manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel as well, AM/FM player. You do get a standard equipment on these F-150s now, a rear view camera, it's standard equipment. And it will have the pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. So some great features, just the basic features that you need for a work truck. That's what we're going to start off with on this Cattleman package. Now let's talk about this package and what's included for $5,995. First thing, and probably one of the most important things every farmer needs, and anybody that lives in Kansas is looking for if they're riding out in the country, is they want a nice grill guard. So this is the Ranch Hand brand grill guard that was put on this truck. That's going to really protect it. So if you come across any deer, any pheasant, anything like that, it's not going to ruin your grill. It will protect it. So a lot of people around here, a lot of farmers, like a nice grill guard on it. So we made sure it had that. Also, you'll notice that it is kind of leveled out. We did add a 2-inch front suspension system here to level that out and give it a nice feel. Bring up that front of it, so especially if you need to do any clearance to the fields or anything like that, you're going to have that clearance for you as well. And then these wheels. So needed a real good set of wheels, so we went with a low gloss black XD brand 18-inch wheels. So a real nice 18 inches is a good size there, because you can put a nice big tire on there. So it does have, Fuel does make their own tire, so it is a 35-inch all-terrain tire, so nice off-road tire. So you'll be able to take this out to the fields, out in the ranch. It's going to give you lots of grip, and it won't be real loud when you get onto those dirt roads and the highways either, or the city streets if you end up going into town. So real nice wheel and tire setup here, level kit, and the grill guard on the front. But we didn't finish stop there. We did also put a window tint on this. So you're going to see side as well as the back glass, full window tint around it, around the cab there. And then a spray and bed liner. Spray and bed liner is very essential because again, those farmers are going to toss things into the back there. They're going to haul a lot of things, rocks, whatever it might be. They're going to be able to haul some things. They want to protect that bed, so they'll put in a spray and bed liner to protect it back there. And now we can do it just like the factory. So we will coat that real nicely and do it just like you would at the factory as well. And then we had to have, if you have this nice Cattleman package, we had to have a really nice decal as well. So we listen to people. Some people have some of the decals we've had in some of the past and some of our other truck custom builds have, you know, kind of made comments about our decals. So we really work hard to try to come up with something special to kind of, you know, dedicate this truck to those cattlemen and those people that live out on the ranch. So we love the decal that we came up with on this one here. So that little cattleman decal, you're going to see that on both sides of the bed on the truck. So real good little package here. Again, $5,995 pretty much covers the cost on all these components here. And again, you just, if you want this put on a different truck, you just let us know and we can put it on any F-150 or Super Duty of your choosing. Now don't forget to check out these Cattleman packages on our website. We currently have 3 in stock, a red, white, and blue on our website, so be checking for that. You can go to lawmcarthur.com. You can get to the performance page a couple different ways. There is a Lawn McArthur Performance at the very top of the website. You can go ahead and click on that icon and it'll take you right to our different custom builds. So we have a list of all the different custom builds we do. And under the F-150, you'll see this Cattleman package. Just click on that and you'll see a dedicated page to our inventory as well as more information on all the breakdown of what's included in this package. So real nice package. I think we'll do really well with these. And again, around here we have a lot of farmers, a lot of people that do put grill guards on their trucks anyway, and probably maybe even a level kit. And so it's a real nice package. They can just add that to their truck or purchase anything we have in stock. So check out our inventory that way. You can also give us a call or send us a text message. Numbers are going to be listed there on the screen. So go ahead and give us a call if you have any questions on this or if you want to check our inventory. If you don't see some inventory currently, we'll try to keep a couple of these in stock at all times. But sometimes they do get real popular and we sell out before we can have another one put on. So if you come you see that on the website, give us a call and we can have this put on any of the trucks that we have currently in stock. Just pull it out of stock and put that on there, or we can even locate one or even order one specifically just for you with all the different options that you're looking for. So definitely reach out to us. Don't forget you can find us on social media as well. We're at Lawn McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So be looking for us there and follow us there if you're on social media at all. You can see not only some of these cool custom builds that we do, but also you can see what's going on at the dealership and even in our community right there on our different social media pages. Don't forget to, if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. That way you get subscribed to our YouTube channel with some great content there. You'll see these custom builds, our complete guide walkarounds as well as those come out, and even some cool used vehicles as well that are kind of special and different that we get on trade. So be looking for that. Hit the notification bell so that way you can get notified next time we have another video uploaded to that channel. And don't forget to smash the like button. Let other people know they need it's a great video they need to watch and appreciate it. Put your comments down below as well. Love getting that feedback so that way we get an idea of what people are looking for, what they like about the truck, what they don't like about the truck, so we can always make these builds better and better each time that we make these. So appreciate any of those comments you leave down below. And until the next video, we'll see you later.